Determining the installation position. Installing floating nuts. Installing the RTN 950. Install the chassis in the specified cabinet position and secure the 4 screws on both sides of the chassis. Installing a PG&D cable. Connect one end of the PG&D cable to the ground point on the chassis, and the other end to the ground point on the cabinet column or the indoor ground bar. Installing the power cable. Hold the power cable routed on the side of the cabinet to the power port on the PIU board and smoothly insert the power cable into the power port. After the power cable is completely inserted, push the power terminal latch to secure the power cable. Installing a board. Use a Phillips screwdriver to loosen the screws on both ends of the filler panel. Hold the screws at both ends of the filler panel and remove the filler panel smoothly. Hold the ejector levers on the front panel of the board with both hands and pull the ejector levers outward to make the ejector levels form a 45-degree angle with the panel. Slide the board along the guide rail of the slot until the board cannot slide forward. Press the 2 ejector levers of the board inwards and tighten the screws on the panel. Installing an optical fiber. Insert an optical module. Insert an optical fiber. And route and bind the optical fiber along the right side of the cabinet. Installing an NMS cable. Connect the NMS cable correctly and route it along the right side of the cabinet. Installing an IF cable. Connect an IF cable correctly. Tighten the cable connector and then route the cable along the right side of the cabinet. Power on.